Amplify Science, Geology on Mars, Chapter 2, Lesson 2.3, Gathering Additional Evidence from Models. So you hop over here to the warm-up, and you are asked 2 questions about how you might use a model to test an idea. Then we move on to step 2, in which you return back to the stream tables with the focus on how is the Mars surface different than the stream table surface we used yesterday. And we notice a few things, craters and what look like mountains. So the surface is not flat. It might be steeper in some areas than others, and that might affect how water or lava would make a channel. So we want to test that idea. Now, in this lesson, I add another element. A lot of students, you often bring up landforms. You notice that there are things that could get in the way of the water. So I grabbed some modeling clay and set up the second table to test landforms. So the students are actually the ones, you are the ones who are going to come back and use the stream tables to test your idea. So it expands on this lesson a little bit. Now, before we hop back to the stream tables, we actually did the part we had to do together as a class, and that is observing the video on the wax model, and you respond to the 2 questions you're given when I play the video. So what I did is play the video and then stopped the final formation and split the screen between that on the left side, the wax model on the left, and the original channel image of Mars on the right. So as you filled in these questions, you could compare the 2. Then you go back and to the back of the room, use the stream tables, fill out your observation sheet, which is 2-sided, much like yesterday. So don't get them confused. Save them both. They're your evidence for later on. And then you move on to the homework section and start to come up with some conclusions on your own. And that is lesson 2.3.